Welcome to my channel. In this video, I unbox and review the highly anticipated Soundcore Space One. Join me as I dive into the sleek packaging and share my first impressions of these earbuds, including sound quality, call performance, and battery life. Before we dive into the unboxing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming tech reviews. Now, let's take a closer look at the Space One. These are perfect for budget headphones. It has a noise-canceling feature, not has fast charging 5 minutes. Equals for hours of playtime of full charge. You could probably get out 40 to 50 hours of playtime. The price for these headphones isn't too bad. It's probably perfect for budget headphones. I'm really surprised with these headphones with the quality and the noise cancellation feature. If you have any questions or specific things you'd like to see in my review, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And as always, thanks for watching, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.